A lingering cough or fatigue could be more than just a cold. RSV can affect adults, especially those with chronic conditions or a weak immune system. Symptoms often mimic a cold, like cough and congestion, mild fever and fatigue, but in some adults, it can progress something more serious. Early evaluation ensures proper diagnosis and treatment, helps prevent complications, and supports faster recovery. Staying hydrated, getting enough rest, monitoring for worsening, shortness of breath, or persistent fever is key. Don't ignore lingering respiratory symptoms this winter. Feeling unwell or noticing persistent symptoms? Contact Health Express for an evaluation and care.